Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to file your Amazon seller taxes. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here at sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and once you have opened it up you'll be greeted by this home page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started, and in the upper right corner we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account that you want to use with your business, you can sign up for one. If you have one, just log in normally. So after you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard that looks something like this, where you can go and manage your catalog, your inventory, orders, all your store settings, and so on. And now we can go and take a look at how to file our taxes. So guys, here we have an article showing us on Amazon Seller's Guide to the 2025 tax season and how we can get started filing out our own taxes, and it's asking us if we need any help. So basically guys, here you have all the steps. You can find any similar articles like this one. You can use Google to find how to file your taxes for Amazon Seller. It's going to go and be giving you these sections right here. Basically guys, you can go and get started collecting your sales taxes on Amazon Seller. You're going to have all of your info right here that you need for every state and how to report and file taxes as an Amazon Seller. So basically on the reports, you're going to navigate to the tax document library. So here is your dashboard where you're going to have the report section. You're going to open up the report section, after where we can scroll down to the sales tax reports, and from there we can get started creating a tax report for any time period by clicking generate tax report. This is going to enable us to go ahead and manage all the options that you can follow from right here, but basically it's all going to be available in your report section in your dashboard of your Amazon Seller Central. That's where you want to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.